Hello, it's Helen Godden again, and it's December 3rd and we're working on the petal right next to December 2nd. This time it's an infinity type stitch. So we make a loop going forward and then back on ourselves. So with this one, you might want to practice that on paper first. The idea is to bring those loops right down to the edge so that you are filling that whole petal space. That's one that I actually have to concentrate quite hard to get right. It doesn't come so easily to me, and when I'm stitching that one, I'm actually saying to myself, move forward. So you have to go forward and come back on yourself, forward and come back, forward and come back, and that's what I'm actually saying to myself as I'm stitching that one. So have a little play with that, and you can see how the design slightly turns with the curvature of that petal. So there you go, that's your lot for December 3. I will see you tomorrow. Bye bye.